Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Before we dive into today's jaw-dropping story, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you don't miss any of our exciting celebrity news updates. Trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this one. In today's video, we're diving into a story that has left fans and the media stunned. George Clooney, the charming Hollywood icon, has pleaded guilty in court over a shocking series of events involving his beloved wife, Amal Clooney. For years, George has been known not just for his acting career but for his loving marriage to the brilliant human rights lawyer Amal. But now, the Clooney family is making headlines for reasons no one expected. This case has exposed an unsettling truth about the challenges the couple has faced in their personal life. Let's get into it. George Clooney has always maintained a strong, supportive image, especially in his marriage to Amal, who is globally renowned for her work in human rights. But things took a dramatic turn when George appeared in court and pleaded guilty to charges surrounding multiple assaults on his wife. You heard that right. George Clooney, who once seemed untouchable in the eyes of the public, is now facing legal consequences that no one could have foreseen. In a courtroom packed with reporters and onlookers, George's plea was as startling as the accusations themselves. For months, rumors had swirled about the couple's troubled relationship, but no one could have guessed it would escalate to this level. Court documents revealed that George has admitted to a number of physical altercations with Amal Clooney, leaving fans stunned and heartbroken. How could a couple that has often been seen as the epitome of elegance and love come to such a point? Let's break down the series of events that led to George Clooney's court appearance. According to sources, the incidents started years ago, but were kept under wraps due to the high-profile nature of the Clooney family. At first, no one could have imagined that George was capable of such behavior, especially considering his public image as a family man and his track record as a philanthropist. As shocking as it is, the court documents revealed that George admitted to several instances of physical aggression, some of which involved pushing Amal in moments of stress. These incidents reportedly occurred in private settings, away from the prying eyes of the public, but they were damaging nonetheless. Over time, the situation escalated, and Amal became increasingly vocal about the need for intervention. One of the most jaw-dropping moments came when George was asked directly about the number of times he had assaulted his wife. In a moment of overwhelming honesty, George revealed the exact number: 3 separate occasions. Each of these instances was tied to a moment of extreme personal pressure, according to George's own testimony. He spoke candidly about how he felt overwhelmed by the pressures of his career, public scrutiny, and Amal's high-profile work, which he admitted caused his behavior to spiral out of control. The public revelation of this information was a blow to the Clooney family's reputation, but George's plea of guilty was also seen by some as a step toward taking accountability for his actions. His decision to face the consequences head-on rather than fight the charges in court has been seen as a rare act of humility and responsibility in Hollywood. So, what has Amal Clooney's response been throughout all of this? Known for her grace and composure, Amal has kept a low profile since the case became public. However, sources close to the couple have revealed that Amal is devastated but determined to maintain a sense of dignity. Those who know Amal personally say that she has been supportive of George's decision to plead guilty, acknowledging his willingness to take responsibility for what happened. In a recent statement, Amal emphasized that she was focused on her own work and well-being, and that she had been seeking counseling to help process the traumatic events. Though her personal feelings have not been fully revealed, it's clear that Amal is prioritizing her mental and emotional health after everything that has come to light. Now that George has pleaded guilty, what does the future hold for the Clooney family? Will they be able to salvage their relationship, or is this the beginning of the end for one of Hollywood's most admired couples? It's difficult to say, but sources close to the couple have hinted that they are both committed to working through their challenges, especially for the sake of their children. George has reportedly been undergoing therapy and anger management to address the underlying issues that led to the assaults. In his court statement, he promised to make amends and prove that he can be the man his family needs. However, experts in the field of relationships and therapy say that rebuilding trust after such incidents is a long and difficult road. It will take time for both George and Amal to heal from this. This case is raising serious questions about the nature of relationships in Hollywood. For years, the Clooneys were the poster couple for power couples, showing that it's possible to balance fame and a happy marriage. But now, with these revelations, people are starting to ask themselves, how much do we really know about our favorite stars? This situation serves as a reminder that even the most glamorous and admired relationships can have their darker sides. It's a powerful moment for fans to reflect on the realities of fame and relationships, especially when it comes to the pressures of being in the public eye. As this case continues to unfold, we'll likely hear more details about what went wrong in the Clooneys' marriage and whether George will be able to repair the damage done. It's a cautionary tale for anyone who believes that celebrities live perfect lives. The reality is often far from what's portrayed in the media. What do you think? Will George and Amal Clooney be able to rebuild their marriage, or is this the beginning of the end for their relationship? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video if you found it as shocking as we did.